Universal Studios Hollywood is a renowned theme park and entertainment complex located in Universal City, Los Angeles, California. It is one of the oldest and most famous movie studios in the world, known for its iconic films and attractions. Here are some key features and experiences you can expect at Universal Studios Hollywood. Studio Tour. The Studio Tour is a must-do experience that takes you behind the scenes of a real working movie studio. You'll explore the backlit in a tram and get a chance to see famous film sets, sound stages, and iconic locations. Thrilling rides and attractions. Universal Studios Hollywood offers a variety of thrilling rides and attractions based on popular movies and TV shows. Some of the notable ones include Jurassic World, The Ride, Transformers, The Ride 3D, The Simpsons Ride, and Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Step into the magical world of Harry Potter with a visit to this immersive land. You can explore Hogwarts Castle, enjoy butterbeer, shop for magical merchandise, and experience thrilling rides like Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey and Flight of the Hippogriff. Shows and entertainment. Universal Studios Hollywood features entertaining live shows, performances, and character meet-and-greets throughout the day. You can catch shows like Waterworld, Special Effects Show, and The Nighttime Lights at Hogwarts Castle. Dining and shopping. The park offers a wide range of dining options, from quick-service eateries to themed restaurants. You can also find shops selling movie memorabilia, apparel, collectibles, and souvenirs related to your favorite films.